Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So let's have a review of the basic terms that we use in accounting. So because we oftentimes encounter these terms, so better let's have a random. So when we say assets, we refer it to our by definition, this is resources owned by a business that have economic value. For example, factory, cash inventory, buildings, accounts receivable, no? So those are the example. Application assets helps business operate and generate revenue. When you say liabilities, this is another thing. So financial obligation. That means these are the debt, no? We owed by a business. So let's say we borrow it from bank, no? So these are our obligation, loans payable. We're going to pay it. And then accounts payable, salaries payable, no? These are all liabilities. Application, business must track liabilities to manage financial obligation. So liabilities. Equity. So these are the owner's claim on assets after liabilities are deducted. No? So formula equity, asset minus liability. Example is a company has 100,000 in assets and 40,000 liabilities. Equity is 60,000. So application is equity represents net worth of a business. So when you say what is the equity, that's the net. Revenue. So these are the income earned from a business operation. Is for example, a store sells goods worth 10,000, recording 10,000 in revenue. So the revenue is crucial for determining profitability. Expenses. By definition, costs incurred to generate revenue. So we need expense uh, uh, to build the product. Yeah, example, we borrow, no? Rent, wages, utilities, marketing expenses. So we need this for controlling expenses, helps increase profitability. Then net worth, profit, that is the net income, no? The difference between revenue and expense. So like this. For example, if revenue is 50,000, expense is 30,000, net income is 20,000. 50 minus 30. Application indicates financial performance and business sustainability. Accounts receivable, money owed to a business by customers. Example, a company sells goods on credit worth 5,000, recorded as accounts receivable. Application helps business manage cash flow and credit sales. Accounts payable, so money a business owes to supplier for purchase made on credit. So, for example, we borrow. Okay? A business purchase raw materials worth 8,000 on credit, recorded as accounts payable because we're going to pay it sometime when we get the income. Application or the sales. Managing payables ensures good supplier relationship and financials. Depreciation, the allocation of an asset cost over its useful value. Usually the machine, through time, the value gets lower. Now, for example, car. When you purchase it after 6 months, maybe the price is only half. A machine costing 50,000 within 5 years, life depreciation is 10,000. So per year, straight line method. So that is helps in tax deduction and asset valuation. Okay. So a machine gets zero when it reaches the life. For example, machine intended for 5 years. On 5 years, this is already zero. Then we have accrual accounting. That's we've done this one, but this is always frequently coming. So this is the recognition, revenue, and expense when they occur, regardless of past transaction. Example, a business provides service in December but receives payment in January. The revenue is recorded December. So for application ensures accurate financing. Use reporting is need to trace cash flow. We always mention this one. The movement of cash in and out of a business. Example, business received 20,000 from customers and pays 10,000 in expenses, resulting in the net cash flow of 10,000. Application help assess liquidity and financial health. So web citation also, okay, from the book. we always encounter this word, balance sheet, no? So financial statement showing company's asset, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. For example, last 2 years ago. Formula: asset is equals liabilities plus equity. Example: company with 200,000 assets and 120 in liabilities has an equity of 80,000. 80,000. That is the net worth. From here, now equity is equals to remove these liabilities on the right side. So asset minus liabilities. Asset minus liabilities. Application used for financial analysis and investment decision. Income statement, we always encounter this one. A financial report showing revenue, expense, and net income. So this is the basis of decision. Example: if a business earns 100,000 in revenue and has 70,000 in expense, net income is 30,000. So earning minus revenue and has a expense na 100 minus 70 equals 30. So application helps stakeholders assess profitability. Trial balance definition: a report that ensures total debit equals total credit in accounting. So that we call it trial balance. Company totals debit and credits each amount 500,000, ensuring books are balanced. Okay, application used to detect errors before preparing financial. There has always been a balance. Now, what you have credited is similar to what you have debited. So these are all the frequently terms we encountered in accounting. So take note of this video. Okay, you always come back here. So I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.